Born to rule, a legend forged in speed. The 1965 Pontiac GTO, often mistaken for the Judge, which officially debuted in 1969, was the muscle car that redefined American performance. Its presence wasn't just seen, it was felt. A bolder stance, a louder roar, and an undeniable attitude made this machine a symbol of power, rebellion, and raw speed. It wasn't just another car, it was a statement, one that Pontiac engineers had crafted to dominate the streets and leave a lasting legacy in muscle car history. With 1964's groundbreaking success, Pontiac didn't hold back in 1965. The GTO was redesigned with a more aggressive, sculpted body featuring stacked quad headlights, a split grille, and a widened track for better handling and a meaner look. Its curvier profile and enhanced aerodynamics made it one of the most visually stunning muscle cars of its time. Under the hood, the heart of the beast remained the legendary 389 cubic inch V8, but Pontiac wasn't satisfied with just keeping things the same. The standard 4-barrel carburetor setup pushed out a solid 335 horsepower. But for those who wanted to truly unleash the fury, the tri-power setup was available, bumping output to an exhilarating 360 horsepower. Performance wasn't just about raw numbers, it was about control. Pontiac engineers ensured that the 1965 GTO was not just fast in a straight line, but also handled like a dream. The suspension was stiffened, the frame was reinforced, and an optional limited slip differential helped translate that power into pure performance. A 3-speed manual transmission came standard, but serious drivers opted for the 4-speed manual with a Hurst shifter, giving them a direct connection to every surge of power beneath the hood. For those who preferred an easier ride, a 2-speed automatic transmission was also available. Inside, the GTO delivered not just speed but style. Pontiac took luxury and performance and merged them seamlessly. Bucket seats, a wood-grain dashboard, and a driver-centric cockpit layout made sure that every inch of the cabin felt tailored for the thrill of driving. The rally gauge cluster provided essential performance readouts, while optional extras, like a tachometer and center console, added to the race-inspired feel. The Hurst shifter, known for its precise throws, became an instant favorite among muscle car enthusiasts. Imagine the rumble of that V8 in your garage, the thrill of pressing the pedal, hearing the roar, feeling the rush of torque pulling you forward. Owning a 1965 GTO isn't just about having a car, it's about carrying a legacy. Every drive is a nod to an era when muscle cars ruled the streets, and Pontiac was at the forefront of the revolution. Are you ready to be part of something legendary? Subscribe now and become part of the AutoVerse, where history, performance, and passion collide. Let's keep the spirit of the muscle car era alive, one legendary ride at a time.